Dear students, Sairam to all. In the previous session, we discussed some problems related to the area of a triangle. If the three coordinate points are given on a Cartesian plane or the Cartesian system, how to find the area of a triangle? What is the formula? If the three coordinate points given on a Cartesian system, the area of a triangle equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Using this formula, we can find the area of a triangle if the three coordinate points are given on a Cartesian system or the Cartesian plane. What is the formula? Just to recall the formula. Area of a triangle equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So in this session also we are going to solve some more problems. So look at the first example. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points P minus 1.5, 3 and Q 6 minus 2 and R minus 3, 4. So the three coordinate points are given. So how to find the area of a triangle? You know the formula. So find the area of the triangle. So the coordinate points are minus 1.53. So let us consider the first coordinate point x1, y1. And the second coordinate point is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. So this is x2, y2. And the third coordinate point minus 3, 4. So this one x3, y3. So what is the question given? Find the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle, equal to, so what is the formula? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So by using this formula, we can find the area of the triangle. Now substitute the value half into x1 into y2 minus y3. So here the value of the x1 is minus 1.5 into y2 minus y3. So here the value of the y2 is minus 2 minus y3 is 4 plus x2. So x2 value is 6. x2 6 into y3 minus y1. So here y3 is 4, y1 is 3. So y3 minus y1, 4 minus 3 plus x3. So the value of x3 is minus 3. Minus 3 into y1 minus y2. y1 3 minus y2. So y2 value minus 2. On simplification, so we get the area of the triangle. So half into minus 1.5 into minus 2 minus 4. Both are negative sign. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 plus 6 into 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 1. So plus minus 3 into 3 minus bracket means into minus into minus. Minus into minus plus 2. So next equal to half into minus into minus. Minus into minus plus 1.5 into 6. You multiply 1.5 into 6, that is 9. So here plus 6 into 1, 6. So what is the sign here? Minus 3 plus minus 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. So which is equal to half into 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 15. Plus into minus minus 3 into 5, 15. So which is equal to half into 15 minus 15. So 15 minus 15 equal to 0. Now half into 0. So which is equal to 0. So this is the area of the triangle. Area of the, so in this question, the area of the triangle is 0. The area of the triangle is 0. What does this mean? What is the meaning? Is it possible the area of the triangle is 0 square units? No. So if the area of the triangle is 0 square units, then the vertices of a triangle are collinear. Collinear means which lie on the same straight line. So that's why the area of the triangle is 0. So what is the meaning? If the area is 0, if the area of the triangle is 0 square units, what does this mean? So the three vertices, the vertices of the triangle are collinear. So this is the answer. So the area of the triangle is 0 square units. So in this question. Next we pass on to the next example. Find the value of k if the points 2, 3, 4k and 6 minus 3 are collinear for the examination point of view. So this type of the questions are very important for 3 marks. So listen carefully. Find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. 3 coordinate points are given, 2, 3, 4k and 6 minus 3. But the condition given that, so these points are collinear. What is the meaning? Collinear. Collinear means the area of the triangle must be 0. So since the points are collinear, given that the points are collinear, the area of the triangle must be equal to 0. So here the coordinate points are 2, 3. So this is x1, y1. And the second coordinate point 4, k. So let us consider the second coordinate point x2, y2. And the third coordinate point is 6 minus 3. So this is x3, y3. What is the question given? Find the value of k. So the area of the triangle equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula to find the area of the triangle. Now substitute the value. Half into x1. So x1 value is 2 into y2 minus y3. y2k minus y3. y3 is minus 3. Plus x2. So x2 value 4 into y3. y3 is minus 3 minus y1. y1 is 3. Plus x3. So x3 value 6 into y1. y1 value 3 minus y2. y2 value k. Now simplify. So which is equal to half into 2 into, so here minus bracket means into, minus into minus, that is a plus, k plus 3 plus 4 into minus 3 minus 3. So here both negative sign, minus 3 minus 3 which is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 into 3 minus k. Next equal to, so look at here, 2 into k plus 3. So this is the monomial and next one is the binomial. Now multiply this term to each term of the binomial. So 2 into k, that is 2k, plus 2 into 3, 6, plus into minus minus, 6 into 4, 24. So here plus 6 into 3, 18, plus into minus, minus 6 into k, 6k, which is equal to half into, so here the like terms, 2k minus 6k, and the plus 6 plus 18, plus 6 plus 18, 24, minus 24 plus 2k minus 6a, that is minus 4k. I think it is clear. Plus 6 plus 18, 24, minus 24, and plus 2k minus 6a, that is minus 4k, equal to half into plus 24 minus 24, 0, equal to minus 4k. Minus 4k. But here, find the value of k if the points 2, 3, 4k and 6 minus 3 are collinear. What is the meaning? Collinear means the area of the triangle must be equal to 0. So the area of the triangle must be equal to 0. Why? So points are collinear. So therefore area of the triangle equal to 0. So 0 equal to, why it is 0? Because here the given that points are collinear. Condition collinear means the area of the triangle equal to 0. So therefore 0 equal to half into minus 4k. Or 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 0 equal to minus 2k. So what is the value of k? So therefore k equal to 0. So this is the value of the k. First one, here the vertices in the question, find the value of k if the points a, 2, 3, 4k and 6 minus 3 are collinear. Collinear means the vertices. The vertices of triangle lie on the same straight line, or the area of the triangle is 0. So by using the area of the triangle formula, so we can find the value of the k. So I think it is clear. So the next question. So this is the last question in this lesson. If a minus 5 7, b minus 4 minus 5, c minus 1 minus 6 and d 4 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So here find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. How to find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD? If the 4 vertices or the 4 coordinate points are given. If 3 coordinate points are given, we can find the area of the triangle. But here 4 coordinate points are given. How to find the area of the quadrilateral? So see here, ABCD is a quadrilateral. By joining B and D, so we will get the 2 triangle. Am I right? ABD and BDC are the 2 triangle. First find the area of the triangle ABD and then find the area of the triangle DBC by adding these 2 areas of the triangle. So that is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So clear? Or by joining AC. So there are 2 possibilities. By joining B and D or by joining A and C, so we get the 2 triangle. So here by joining B and D, so the triangle ABD and triangle BCD. So now find the area of the first triangle. So the first triangle ABD. So the first triangle X1 Y1, that is minus 5 7. So the A coordinates of the point A minus 5 7 and coordinate of the point B minus 4 minus 5 and point C minus 1 minus 6 and D 4 5. So we have to find the area of the first triangle ABD. So ABD, so the coordinates of the point A, X1, Y1 and that is X2, Y2, that is the coordinate of the point B, minus 4, minus 5 and X3, Y3, that is ABD, coordinates of the point D, 4, 5. Now find the area of the triangle ABD. So area of triangle ABD. So area of the triangle ABD of into X1 into Y2 minus Y3 plus X2 into Y3 minus Y1 plus X3 into Y1 minus Y2. Now substitute the values. So equal to half into x1. So x1 value is minus 5 into y2. So y2 value minus 5 minus y3. y3 is 5 plus x2 value. x2 value minus 4 into y3. y3 value 5 minus y1. y1 is 7 plus x3. So x3 value 4 into y1 minus y2. y1 is 7 minus y2. y2 is minus 5. So equal to half into minus 5. Minus 5 minus 5. Minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 plus minus 4 into 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 minus 2 plus 4 into 7 minus into minus, that is plus 5. So next equal to half into minus into minus, that is plus 10 into 5 50. So plus minus into minus, minus into minus plus 4 into 2 8 plus 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 48. So equal to half into 50 plus 8 plus 48, that is 106. 106. 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 3s are. So which is equal to 53 square units. So this is the area of the first triangle ABD. So area of the first triangle ABD is 53 square units. So next we have to find the area of the second triangle. So which is the second triangle? BCD. So their sum is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So therefore we have to find the second area of the second triangle BCD. So area of triangle BCD, area of the triangle BCD equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here the coordinate point BCD, so the coordinates of the point B minus 4 minus 5. So this is x1 y1 and C minus 1 minus 6 x2 y2 and the third coordinate point 4 5. So this is x3 y3. Now substitute the values. So equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3. So here the value of x1 is minus 4 into y2 minus 6 minus y3 5 plus x2 value minus 1 into y3 5 minus y1 minus 5. So plus x3. So x3 value 4 into y1 value minus 5 minus y2 minus 6. Now simplify. Equal to half into minus 4 into minus 6 minus 5. Minus 6 minus 5, that is minus 11 plus minus 1 into 5 minus into minus plus 5 plus 4 into minus 5 minus into minus plus 6. So which is equal to half into minus into minus plus 4 into 11 44. So here 5 plus 5 10, 10 into minus 1 minus 10, minus 5 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 4. So which is equal to half into 44 minus 30, 34 plus 4 38, 2 1s are 2 19s, which is equal to 19 square units. 19 square units. So this is the area of the second triangle. Area of the second triangle BCD. So what is the question given? So here the question given, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So by joining B and D, so we will get the two triangles. Which are the two triangles? Triangle ABD and triangle BCD. Now what is the area of the triangle ABD? So triangle ABD 53 square units and the triangle BCD, that is 19 square units. So what is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD? So their sum is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So therefore area of the quadrilateral ABCD, so area of the quadrilateral ABCD equal to 53 plus 19. 53 plus 19, that is 72 square units. 72 square units. So this is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So I think it is clear. Dear students, before winding up the lesson, we shall recall what we learnt in this lesson. So in the coordinate geometry, so how to find the distance between any two points on the Cartesian system or the Cartesian plane, if the 2 points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. So let the point A x1, y1 and the point B x2, y2. So these are the two coordinate points on the Cartesian system. So what is the distance between these 2 points? So the distance between these 2 points, d equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this formula is known as a distance formula. So by this formula we can find the distance between any 2 points. So next, from the origin, what is the distance? If the any point x comma y on the Cartesian system, so from the origin what is the distance? So d equal to square root of x square plus y square. So this is the formula to find the distance from the origin. So distance between any 2 points, d equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. From the origin, d equal to square root of x square plus y square. And next one is a section formula. x1, let the point A x1 y1 and b x2 y2. The line joining between A and B, so that is the line segment AB. So the point P, coordinates of the point P x comma y, which divides AB in the ratio m is to n. M is to n. So coordinates of the point P of x comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So this formula is known as a section formula. So in the ratio m is to n, but in your textbook the ratio given that m1 is to m2, then the formula becomes p of x comma y m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this formula is known as a section formula. So the point P divides the line segment equally, or P is the midpoint. So the coordinates of the midpoint P of x comma y equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2 and y2 plus y1 divided by 2. So this formula is known as the midpoint formula. And the last one is, if the three coordinate points x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, 3 points on the Cartesian system, while joining these points, so we will get the triangle. So what is the area of the triangle? So area of the triangle of into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So by using this formula we can find the area of the triangle. Students, I hope you are practicing the problems daily. Practice well. So I have finished this lesson. Thank you one and all.